Hi, in this video I'm going to post on Facebook and Twitter from my Instagram account. First of all, open up Instagram. Here it is, it's open. If it wasn't on this page, you'd press the bottom right hand picture of yourself or whatever is your profile icon and you'll be taken to this page. First check that you've got a connected Twitter account and Facebook account. So we go to the three parallel lines at the top right, click on settings, click on accounts, which is near the middle account, click on sharing to other apps, which is 3/4 of the way down. And you can see you've got Manning's portfolio at Facebook and a Twitter account connected. It doesn't say what the Twitter account name is. So if we go back to your Instagram account, say we wanted to create a new post and post it. We might be tempted to do this. Create a new post. And press next. And you can see just below where it says advanced settings, it says share to Facebook. It doesn't say share to Twitter. And if you go on any of these options, it still doesn't say share to Twitter. So go back here. So I could do that and that would simply share it to Facebook. But since it's only one network, I'm not going to do that. I'll instead demonstrate how to do it with this picture. Say you've already got a picture shared on your Instagram, you can share it to Facebook and Twitter by clicking on it and then clicking on the three dots on the top right and post to other apps. And here you can click on the Twitter button and the Facebook slider, and then click on the blue arrow in the top right and it's shared. So going back to the Twitter account to make sure it's been shared, we close this or move it to the side. Twitter. Sorry, it's a bit slow. This is Twitter on my mobile, but it's in desktop view. So here we have that image shared 39 seconds ago. So it's this one. On Twitter. I won't show you how to. I won't show it to you on Facebook because it's not necessary. I just wanted to show you on Twitter for now. It is shared on Facebook, take my word for it. Okay, that's all I wanted to show in this video. Thanks for listening. Bye.